Hi, today I'm for the OPPO Pad Air and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should launch the Gmail application, and so now just tap here on the right upper corner and click to manage accounts on this device to log out from Gmail account on our in just Gmail application. We should first log out from Google account on our device, and to do that just click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, click on the right upper corner to these three dots, tap remove account, confirm your action, and go back to the application. So now in application we can see that we just successfully logged out from Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.